With controversies piling up on his side, a defiant Senator Joel Villanueva distanced himself again from the flood control scandal. He had fiery words during the 47th anniversary celebration of the Jesus is Lord Church over the weekend. The embattled senator says accusations against him are nothing but a setup.
Sino ba ang unang nag-expose ng flood control? Sino ba ang unang nagsabi that there is 1.44 billion pesos a day budget of the government sa flood control? Tapos ngayon, kasali ka daw? Eh di wow, kaya ko pong tignan ng bawat isa sa inyo dito, mga kapwa ko JIL. Mata sa mata, wala tayong flood control. Hindi tayo